Welcome to the Blizzard cleanup. This is the Blizzard of February 2026. Got quite the task ahead of us. Cars are covered. Sadie is enjoying it. Take a look at up and down the block. The neighbor here did a good job already. We're gonna do our best here to get to some action as I try to dig out starting from the garage. So I finished the cleanup earlier, but then I came to edit it way later in the night now, and I realized my phone had died and I didn't get the final shot of what it looked like after the cleanup. So here it is. I did a little bit on this side, a little bit in this side, and here's the final. The cars are all cleared out. Not too bad, and that's that.